Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about polio virus polio disease. Polio disease is caused by polio virus. It's viral disease. It is also called as poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis is an acute infectious disease that is it in serious form affects the central nervous system. It disrupts the motor neurons in spinal cord, results paralysis. However, most poliovirus infections are subclinical. Now, morphology of poliovirus. Its size. A size versus spherical particle about 27 nanometer in diameter. Capsid. Capsid. It consists of a capsid cells of 60 subunits, each consisting of 4 viral proteins. VP1 to VP4 arranged in icosahedral symmetry. Genome. The genome is a single strand of positive sense RNA. The virus can be crystallized. An array of virus crystals can be seen in the cytoplasm of infected cells. You can easily see the pictures of virus. The structure of poliovirus. It contains glycoprotein, RNA, cells membrane, cells and viral capsid. The poliovirus is easily and first target is attacking nerve cell. You can see on the pictures. Paralytic polio is classified as spinal polio, bulbar polio, bulbospinal polio. Spinal polio attacks motor neurons in the spinal cord and causes paralysis in arms and legs and breathing problems. Similarly, bulbar polio affects neurons responsible for sight, vision, taste, swallowing, and breathing. Finally, bulbospinal polio, both spinal and bulbar polio. And symptoms of polio in acute stage generally last for 7 to 10 days. Many polio includes fever, pharyngitis. Pharyngitis is nothing but pharyngeal infections, headache, anorexia. Anorexia is nothing but its loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting. These patients develop a higher fever and severe headache with stiffness of the neck and back. Paralysis of the respiratory muscles or from cardiac arrest if the neurons in the medulla oblongata are destroyed. Second one is convalescent stage. From 2 days after the temperature return to normal and continues for 2 years. Muscles power improves. Physical therapy is recommended for full recovery. Passive stretching exercise and wearing casts can be for mild to moderate contractures. In chronic stage, 24 months after the active illness, the goals of treatment includes correcting any significant muscle imbalance and preventing or correcting soft tissue or bony deformities. Static joint instability can be controlled by orthosis. The treatment. The goal of the treatment is to control symptoms while the infection runs its course, as there is no specific treatment for the viral infection. Treatment may include antibiotic for UTI, most heat to reduce pain and muscle spasm, painkiller to reduce muscle spasm, muscle pain, headache, physical therapy, braces or corrective shoes, or orthopedic surgery to help recover muscle strength and function. The possible complication of poliovirus is aspiration, pneumonia, cor pulmonale. It's a type of heart failure found on right side of circulatory system. Lack of movement, lung problems, myocarditis, paralytic ileus, means loss of intestinal function, permanent muscle paralysis, disability, deformity, pulmonary edema, shock, urinary tract infection or UTI. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.